My YouTube family, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to unbox our No4 AC/DC automatic incubator. Let us see what the box contains. Okay, it has this box with some other equipment. And guys, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please do consider to subscribe. This is how the incubator look like, our No4 incubator. It has the top part which is covered with the styrofoam, and this is the top part of the incubator, the one with the control panel. It has two fans, it has the cable for turning motor, and then we have the humidity sensor here and the temperature sensor here. Yeah, that is how the top look like. That is how the top look like. And then we have these two mesh plates, the one for the upper chamber and the one for the downer part. Okay. And then we have this bottle here for topping up the water. We have the DC cable power cord, and then we have the AC power cord. This is the bottle for topping up water, and then we have the rollers, the turning rollers. And then we have the base. It has the motor for the lower chamber. Okay, let me show you how to arrange the rollers. So, this is how the rollers are supposed to be arranged. You can see this yellow spiral. One side has the sprocket, so the spiral and the sprocket have to be on one side. Okay, the spacing of the rollers will largely depend with the size of eggs that you are going to incubate. Bigger eggs will require wider spacing and vice versa. Okay, this small box contains the component of the upper chamber. It has the four sides. It has the rollers. It has the rollers for the upper chamber. It has this silver plate that will support the hatching mesh. It has the screwdriver, the one that you will use to screw the 4 parts together. And this is how you organize the set before screwing them together. And these are the screws. Okay, this steel plate is to be screwed across here. It is to be screwed across here. Its main function is to reinforce the top hatching mesh. It has a pair of bolt and nut for mounting. Okay, this is how everything is supposed to look like. This is the final product now. You're supposed to loop the turning motor cable just like that, and then these are the rollers for the upper chamber. These are the rollers for the upper chamber, 9 in numbers. And you do the same thing you have done for the lower chamber. You arrange them the sprocket side to face the yellow spiral mounted to the turning motor. You have to make sure that you arrange the rollers properly. Okay, the next stage, this is how you are supposed to arrange the rollers. The sprocket side facing the yellow spiral. The yellow spiral is attached to the turning motor. So that's the right arrangement for the rollers. So I was saying that after 18 days you'll come and remove the rollers, and then you introduce the hatching mesh. After 18 days, there's no need of turning. Okay, the incubator has a breather up here on top. When the humidity is too low, you close it. When it's too high, you open it. That is for regulating the humidity. Let me show you how to candle the egg. After 7 to 10 days, you'll come and place your eggs up here, and then you turn the light on. If the egg was fertile, you are supposed to notice some formation. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please do not forget to subscribe and share. Thank you very much.